The housing market is never changing because of Tesla's new, outrageous $10,000 home for low-income living. The Tesla home is high quality and meets consumer needs like all other Tesla products. Join us as we examine the features and other aspects of the Tesla home in this video. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about Elon Musk's $10,000 house finally hitting the market. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. That Tesla crazy new house is reasonably affordable. The price is $10,000. Due to the high cost of building a home, most Americans do not own one. In truth, there is a global housing shortage, but Tesla is working to find a solution with their absurd new residence. Compared to the value of other Tesla products, the cost of the home is significantly lower. Compared to competing products on the market, Tesla products are invariably distinctive. They remain still. In that sense, even if it is prefabricated, the Tesla home isn't just any house, it has incredible features that set it apart. It has a kitchen, a bed in the bathroom, and a living room. The residence was built with two individuals in mind. The Tesla CEO, his wife, and his son were residing in the home as of the middle of 2021. Solar panels on X's roof assist in capturing the energy from the sun. The power walls, which are used to store the energy, receive the transfer of that energy. The house's whole electrical demand can be met by stored energy. Therefore, using an electric stove, iron, clothes dryer, electrical appliances, and even heating the house during the winter are all doable in a Tesla home. It's easy to live in a Tesla home. It just has the necessities. It is not only cost-effective but also an excellent method to use resources. When your family is only 4, there is simply no reason for you to have a home with 15 rooms. It's relatively simple to deduce what's inside the mystery house, primarily built with steel, concrete, and EPS foam. Tesla homes are manufactured in factories before being folded and sent. The house's exterior is composed of hardwood. Years of prototyping were required to determine which materials would not deteriorate. Lemonade panels are used for floors and roofs, making them highway legal. Elon Musk lives in the tiny, incredibly affordable Tesla house, unlike other millionaires. The Tesla CEO sold his 6 houses and moved into the house. In Boca Chica, the little house is situated near Elon Musk's SpaceX business. But when his 5 teenage children from his first marriage come to visit, it is difficult to comprehend how Musk manages to thrive in this tiny abode. His triplets are 16 years old, whereas his 18-year-old twins are. When Boxell announced in November 2020 that they were building a prefabricated house for one of their high-profile and secret customers in Boca Chica. What connects Musk to the prefabricated houses, since he also lives in the Boca Chica, it was revealed that Elon lives in a Tesla home. However, the rumors were denied. My primary home is a $50,000 house on Boca Chica Starbase that I rent from SpaceX, Elon wrote in a tweet. However, it's incredible. The Bay Area Events home is the only residence I own. If I sold it, it would be less used unless a large family bought it, which might happen in the future. Like all previous Tesla products, sustainability is at the heart of Tesla's new home. Elon is committed to lessening its global carbon footprint. The house is quite basic and will solely run on solar power. Musk has continued using Bitcoin to buy Tesla products as part of his efforts to promote sustainability. This is because many machines used to mine cryptocurrencies are run on highly unsustainable fossil fuels. The movable nature of the Tesla house is a plus. The tech tycoon disclosed in a tweet that a Tesla Model X could tow the house. Tesla power walls can sustain any sized homes, he wrote in a tweet. The good thing is that we can tow this house with a Model X given that a Tesla Cybertruck has a greater towing capacity. I wager that hauling the house with one would be more effective. The Tesla home can only pull 2 tons, whereas the trim-motor Cybertruck has a towing capacity of 7 tons. A Tesla home is a good option for outdoor camping in the country because of its portability. When you are far from home, it provides the ideal home experience. The Tesla house mixes in flawlessly with other Tesla goods. One application is for charging a Tesla. As a result, you won't need to worry about finding a Tesla supercharging station once it launches. Some Tesla appliances in the tiny home can also be managed via the Tesla smartphone. To observe how Tesla goods are interdependent would be pretty exciting. Visitors can create their own home solar power system on a screen in the design studio within the Tesla tiny house. The electronics and lights are all solar powered, and everything can be managed and controlled via a Tesla app. The interior is rather understated and serves more as a Tesla product showroom than a fully furnished house. It couldn't have come at a better time for the concept of the Tesla house. Due to the high cost of construction and mortgage purchases, it has come at a time when most people cannot own homes. Further complicating the situation is the fact that the slow growth of the real estate industry is not keeping up with the rising demand for houses. But thanks to Elon, he is making it more straightforward with the absurdly expensive Tesla home. Most low-income households in America, composed of people of color, cannot afford suitable housing, yet they can now quickly get a cheap Tesla. The Tesla home is now being advertised in Australia after successfully entering the American market. Sydney, Melbourne, and New South Wales are just a few leading Australian cities where the Tesla marketing crew hauled the car. According to Tesla, the unique house that is entirely powered by renewable energy has captured the attention of the citizens of the locations that the Tesla team has visited. The tour offers a personalized learning opportunity to continuously combine solar energy and Powerwall to power a whole house. They enable Australian consumers to take charge of and comprehend their electricity use. One of Tesla's newest initiatives, the Tiny House Tour, is debuting in Australia. In South Australia, the business will construct the most extensive battery system in the world. But solar panels have not yet been made available there, even though it probably will. There's a good chance the ridiculous new Tesla house may end up saving the world. This is primarily because it is sustainable, significantly minimizing the carbon footprint. The survival of humans on Earth is seriously threatened by the problem of climate change and global warming. The world will experience a significant rise in temperature as global warming reaches its peak. A lack of food and water will eventually result from the Earth's water evaporating. The ozone layer, which shields Earth from the sun's deadly UV rays, is being destroyed by global warming. It would be incredibly challenging to live on Earth without the ozone layer in the atmosphere. In extreme UV radiation, plants cannot survive or grow. The plankton, which feeds the majority of marine life, cannot. Therefore, any strategy that encourages green and clean energy should be embraced, and the Tesla house is doing just that. The outrageous new Tesla home is stylish and reasonably priced. It provides a quick and efficient solution to the housing dilemma. When it is possible to own a Tesla home, no one will have a justification for not having a home of their own. I appreciate your attention. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.